So I'm João Coutinho, I'm director of CICECO. I'm responsible for the organization of this meeting along with my team.
I'm Alessandro Trulli.
My name is Alejandro Franco.
I'm Gianmarco Ignanese.
I'm Shipping Ong.
My name is Joshua Schreier.
My name is Dion Smith.
I'm Johannes Margraaf. I'm a professor of physical chemistry at the University of Bayreuth, and I work on atomistic machine learning models for materials design.
I'm João Rocha. I'm the ex-director of CICECO.
This workshop was a great initiative, good opportunity to consolidate some machine learning concepts.
Well, this workshop was a great initiative, particularly because it is dealing with a hot topic that is artificial intelligence.
This was a really interesting workshop to learn more about artificial intelligence, and I think I will try to use some of the perspectives that were shown and apply to my lab work.
So this has been an amazing opportunity. We have experts from all over the world on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We've been learning a great deal about how to apply it for materials design, materials all the way from solids, liquids, solvents, applications as diverse as solar panels, drugs, pharmaceuticals, or just solvents for the industry. So really an amazing opportunity, an amazing workshop, and a room full of people just learning from each other. Really a very good, interesting opportunity.